How to use iTranslate app on iPhone. To use the iTranslate app, first of all go to your App Store and simply download the iTranslate application on your iPhone. So here you can see the iTranslate translator, tap on the Get button and make sure to just install it. Once you've installed it, just open the iTranslate translator and this is the sum of the interface that you can see. Tap on Accept and Continue. Accept all and continue, and you can select one-time translation, but I'll just skip this for now. Tap on continue, 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 and continue again. Again, I will select this cross icon from the top left because I don't want to get interested in their thing. Now once you're here, iTranslate can actually be just used from here within the application, but you can also add this to your keyboard. So you can tap this keyboard icon from the bottom right of the screen, and what you can do is you can choose to add this on your keyboard by simply opening up Settings on your iPhone, then scrolling down to Apps section, going to Default Apps, scrolling down and tapping on Keyboards, tap on Add Keyboard and select iTranslate. Once you select iTranslate, now what we can do is, if you go within iTranslate, also turn on this option called Allow Full Access and tap the Allow button. Now we can go anywhere. So let's say I'm going to a certain chat or a message anywhere else. This is the default Apple's keyboard. What I want to do is I want to switch to iTranslate so I can use translation feature within the keyboard. To do that, I can long press this globe icon that you can see here and select iTranslate from here. Now from here we can unlock the iTranslate keyboard right over here by using some of the application's feature and translating it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.